What is it?
A slipping slide? No, pool or something? No, I think it's a slipping slide.
What is it?
Oh yeah, it's a slipping slide. No, it's a pool. Oh yeah, whatever.
Wait, what do you think it is?
A pool?
It says, stand up, let's see what it says, Taylor. It says Slide and Soak Splash Park.
Wait, can we play on it for a few minutes?
You saying you want to set it up?
Yeah.
So look, it's a, look. It's a slide. You climb up, you slide down, and there's a pool at the bottom.
Oh, and there's things that can splash you in water.
Huh.
Ready?
Tyler, happy birthday.
Happy.
Taylor, happy birthday.
Thanks.
How old are you going to be?
7.
Tyler, how old are you going to be?
4.
Next week?
Yeah.
So you ready to play with it today?
Yes!
All right, let's do it.
I'm poking holes.
Okay, so in our box for the Bonanza Slide and Soak Splash Park, we have the blower, we have the stakes,
And we have the chart.
the tube parts for the water, and then of course the slide. We took out our tarp to put down just because we just cut the grass. We didn't want to get everything dirty. So we're gonna see how easy it is to set up with just a mama and 2 kids. Okay, I read enough reviews to know that this water hose is the hardest part. So, not great explanations, but there is, I started at the number 2, which seemed to be at the end. It matched up fairly well. Got some bugs. And then there's a number 1 here in the middle. I just ran it back through. Like I said, I've watched enough reviews to know. I'm just going to inflate this thing, see how it works, and then I'll probably have to deflate it and move those a little bit. And then you want your piece of plastic to your blower to be nice and straight. And go ahead and tie off the other one. Otherwise, it's not going to inflate correctly. All right, kids, move. Here we go. Move. says it inflates in 2 minutes, so here we go. Let me see what it looks like.
Mommy?
Maybe. Back up, let it go.
Wait, this is the spider in the stairs. What?
Back up.
Spider in the stairs. This is the slide. But the slide Oh, there it is, there it is, there it is. Let's go look at the back now. No, seriously, it's there.
Pretty good. Just a minute, bud. Just a minute. Just a minute. Make sure it's all the way up so it doesn't fall over on you. Okay, give it a try. I think you're good. We can move our tarp and stake it down a little bit. What do you think?
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome. Is it a good birthday present?
Yeah, sissy.
Probably gonna need to stake it down a little bit. I'll show you. I'll get the water hooked up and we'll show you in just a minute. And I'm gonna stake it down because it is a little top heavy. Okay, give it a try. One at a time on the sidewall, climbing up, okay? Ready. Nice. So, I did stake it down on this side. I moved the tarp so that it wouldn't fall over when they were climbing up. I don't know why there's so many bugs right now on it. I guess they want the water. This is the hose running down. You have to make sure your number one is pushing the water down on top of them. And then make sure this number two over on the side is supposed to be like a little shower kind of thing on the side. Make sure it's, once it's inflated, is pushing down also. Again, I just have a tarp under it because we just cut the grass. And I was trying not to get it real dirty, but obviously you don't have to do a tarp. It's pretty sturdy. There's a line for the water. We have a rather big yard. I just put it over here because I didn't want to have to worry about running extension cords and stuff to give it a try. And this is a little bit more shaded right now because it's hot today. So 4 and 7 almost. Pretty good size. Especially on a hot day. I looked at several options. I found this one at Kohl's on sale. I might put another stake in this part. But I staked it on this side and then all along the other side so it wouldn't be so likely to topple over on them. Alright, so this is the Bonanza Splash, no, I'm sorry, Bonanza Slide and Soak Splash Park. It's hard to know the dimensions of these things and how big they're going to be. I looked at some of the other reviews online. Somewhere it shows us the dimensions, I think. Let's see, there it is. It says for 5 to 12, 15 foot 4 inches long, 9 foot 6 inches wide, 7 foot 11 inches high. It says it inflates in 2 minutes. It really wasn't that bad considering I basically did it by myself. Didn't take a lot of work. So there you go. Pretty good size. It would fit multiple kids for sure. Whoa. Hope you guys enjoy this review. Look around, get a good deal. Like I said, this was at Kohl's. I think the deal may be up, I'm not sure, but I can post it if it still is, and hope you guys enjoy it.